friends, welcome back to Prepping for K's Learning Station, and I'm glad to see you tuning in to another show. My name is Miss Bacon, and I'm here to teach you about kindergarten readiness goals. So let's talk about some kindergarten readiness goals that you're going to learn about today. We're going to start right here with the fine motor skills. Remember, that's when you use your fingers and your hand. And we're going to do an activity that's going to make your fingers really strong. How are we going to do that? We are going to write numbers. So you're going to use a pencil, pen, marker, crayon, whatever you have so that you can write numbers. And you have to be able to recognize those numbers. So you have to be able to tell me what number you see. Now, this is going to be a different video because today we are going to work on numbers 11 through 20. And this will be our first time going over those numbers. It's okay if you don't know those numbers. You can always watch this video over and over again until you learn them, okay? So, I'm going to show you, last time we did this, we worked with the giant tracing numbers. And we did numbers 1 through 10. This time, we're going to do numbers 11 through 20. But we're still going to use this same activity box. It's a giant tracing number box. So let's get started. I'm going to tune in to my little blue, there we go, to my little blue tray. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you our first number. And don't forget, it's okay if you don't know these numbers. That's why you're tuning in today, so you can learn them. So right here, I have my marker that I'm going to use because I'm going to show you how to write the number, okay? And some of you may already know how to write the numbers, and that's fine too. So first, we're going to look at this number. Do you know what number that is? It's okay if you don't. Okay, it is the number 11. Can you say 11? All right, now we are going to write the number 11, okay? So you're going to get your pencil or your pen or your marker, whatever you're going to write with, and you're going to get your piece of paper, and we're going to start right here at the top. The number 11 has a number 1 and another number 1. So we're just going to make a straight line down and another straight line down. That's how you write the number 11. I'm just going to give you a few minutes so you can write the number 11 too. Great job. All right, we're going to move on to the next number. Do you know what number this is? That's right. That's the number 12. Can you say 12? All right, so we're going to write the number 12. The number 12 has two numbers. It has the number 1 and the number 2. So we're going to start with the number 1. You're going to put your marker at the top and draw a straight line down. That's how you do the number 1. And then we're going to draw number 2. So you're going to start right here at the top and you're going to make a curve around. And then you're going to go back. You practice writing the number 12. That's a 1 and a 2. Great job. Now we're going to move on to the next number. Do you know what number that is? That's the number 13. Can you say 13? All right. Now we're going to practice writing the number 13. The number 13 has a 1 and a 3. So we're going to start with the number 1 and we're going to make a straight line down just like this. So that's the number 1. And the number 3 has 2 humps. So we're going to start right here at the top. We're going to go around and around. So can you make the number 13? Great job. I like the way you're working so hard. All right, we're going to move right along. Do you know what number this is? That is the number 14. Can you say 14? All right, we're going to write the number 14. The number 14 has the number 1 and a 4. So the first thing we're going to do is write the number 1. It's a straight line down starting from the top. Great job. Now we're going to write the number 4. So we're going to make a short line down. And then we're going to make a long line down. And then we're going to go over so those can meet. And that's how you make the number 4. So that is a 14, a 1, and a 4. Great job. You're doing awesome. Now, do you know what number that is? That's right. It is the number 15. The number 15 has a 1 and a 5. So we're going to practice writing that number 1 and a 5. And we're going to start right here with the number 1. So we're going to make a straight line down. Can you make a straight line down? Great job. And then we're going to make our 5. So we're going to start with a short straight line down. Just a little line straight down. Okay. And then we're going to go over. Okay. And then we're going to go around for his stomach. We're going to go around for his stomach. Number 15, a 1 and a 5. I'm watching you work so hard on writing your numbers. Great job. All right, so now we're going to move to this number. Do you know what number this is? It's the number 16. Can you say 16? Great job. So this number is the number 16. It starts with the number 1 and it ends with the number 6. Remember, the number 6 has a circle at the bottom. So we're going to start with the number 1 at the top and go straight down. Great job. And then we're going to write the number 6. So we're going to start at the top, come down and around. Down and around. That's the number 16. Do you know what number this is? That's right. It is the number 17. Now we are going to write the number 17. The number 17 has a 1 and a 7. So we're going to start with the 1. Can you make your 1 start at the top and go straight down? I like the way you're doing that. Now we're going to make our number 7. So we're going to go across the top first. You're going to go to the side. And then you're going to go down to the side. And then you're going to go down. And that's the number 17. I love how hard you're working. Do you know what number that is? That is the number 18. Can you say 18? Great job. Now we're going to practice writing the number 18. The number 18 has a 1 and an 8. So we're going to start with the number 1. Start at the top and go straight down. Great job. Now we're going to do the number 8. The number 8 has 2 circles. So we're going to start right here and we're going to make 1 circle at the top. 1 circle at the top. And then we're going to make another circle at the bottom. And that makes the number 18. Great job. Now, what number do you think this is? What number do you think that one is? That is the number 19. The number 19 has a circle at the top. So we're going to start over here. Number 19 has a 1 and a 9. So we're going to start with the 1, start at the top, and make a straight line down. Great job. And then we're going to make the number 9. So we're going to start with the circle at the top, circle at the top, and then a line straight down. The number 19 has a 1 and a 9. 19. And our last number, do you remember what that number is? That's right, that's the number 20. The number 20 has a 2 and a 0. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write the number 2. So we're going to start right here at the top. We're going to go around and down. Around and down. And then we're going to take it to the side. That's how you make a number 2. And then the 0, it's almost like a circle. So we're just going to go around and around. Here we go. I want to see your number 20. Great job. That is the number 20, a 2 and a 0. All right, so guess what, friends? We just wrote numbers 11 through 20. You wrote numbers 11 through 20 right with Miss Bacon. So now we're going to go over what we did today. So we started out by using our fine motor skills. But before we did that, we had to be able to recognize a number. So you had to tell me what number you seen. And then you had to use your fine motor skills and you had to write those numbers. That's right. You had to write those numbers. And guess what? You did an awesome job. So that's actually all we're doing today. We wrote numbers 11 through 20. And guess what? If you didn't do very good on those, you can watch this video later and try again. And just keep watching it over and over and over until you get it. And then one day, you'll be able to write numbers all by yourself. That's right, because you're super smart. All right, friends, that's the end of our show today. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.